Hello everyone and welcome back to Camera West TV. Today we are going to be taking a look at the special edition Leica Q2 Reporter. Let's check it out. So this is just going to be a pretty simple unboxing video. This is basically a Q2, a color Q2 that has some modifications to it. As you can see, it is the Leica Q2 Reporter. Standard unboxing style here. There's the camera. Check out the accessories, see if anything's special. In the accessories box, we have, just a matte front ring. Got your charger cables, strap, charger, battery. Let's see if the strap is special. No, just a standard strap. What you have been waiting for. This is the Q2 Reporter. Let's take a look at this guy. Wow, that is really cool looking. So it's got that matte green finish with the Kevlar laced leatherette here. All the black is matte. So as you can see here, we have the matte green finish here with the Kevlar leatherette. This actually feels really interesting. It's more of like a cloth texture. It doesn't feel like leather. That's pretty cool. And as you can see on the top here, all the color has been taken out, so it's all basically just white and a gray for the paint that's been put in. Actually, it is kind of a cloth because I can see like the fuzziness coming up off the leatherette. That is pretty cool. So that is the Leica Q2 Reporter. And if you're interested in picking up one of these, you can head over to camerawest.com, place your order. Well, this is Adam, and I'll see you next time.